If you haven't tried a shampoo bar, then you're missing out. Not only can shampoo bars reduce waste, but they last longer than liquid shampoo, are easier to travel with, are versatile, so yes, that means you can use it on your face, hair, and body. They don't strip your hair of natural oils, and they're better for your body altogether. Yay for natural ingredients and zero chemical preservatives. The Yellow Bird has 4 bars, each having its own unique scent, allowing for a spa-like shower experience. The grapefruit, rosemary, and lavender shampoo bar has a more mild scent, is good for hair growth, and is the most soothing on your scalp. The peppermint shampoo bar is a favorite for its stronger, cooling scent that provides refreshment and is especially great for curly hair. While the eucalyptus tea tree shampoo bar has a mild scent, it's a favorite for removing extra product buildup and helping with dandruff. And last but not least, the citrus and cedarwood shampoo bar has a fresh, bright scent and is great for promoting thick hair growth. All of the Yellow Bird shampoo bars are paraben, sulfate, silicone, GMO, and cruelty-free, contain no synthetic fragrances or dyes, and are made in the US. Each bar is made with castor oil, vitamin E-rich argan oil, and jojoba oil. These oils help moisturize, promote natural hair growth, and fight against dandruff, giving it a healthy shine. Each of the Yellow Bird shampoo bars are sturdy and smooth, making it easy to wash your hair. There are 2 ways to use your shampoo bar. You can either 1. Lather it in your hands and gently rub your scalp and hair clean, or 2. You can wet your shampoo bar and glide it directly on your scalp and hair. Each of the shampoo bars also come with a little tip pamphlet for you to make sure that you can get the most out of your bar. Rinsing is super easy too. Simply rubbing your scalp and hair to remove the lather is all you have to do, just like liquid shampoo. When drying long hair, be sure to gently hand squeeze the water out and then cover it with a towel. But no matter which bar you choose, all of them are zero waste, gentle on the hair, and great for traveling.